Are you worried about messing up a ceramic coating? Don't be. I'll show you how to apply Gyeon Pure Evo ceramic coating. It's so easy, even a beginner can do it. When we're done, your car will shine and bead like crazy and stay protected for years, not months. Before applying the coating, we need to prep the car. Start with a thorough wash, then use chemicals to remove stubborn contaminants like iron fallout or water spots. After that, follow up with a clay bar to make the surface super smooth. The key is simple: a clean, smooth surface for proper bonding. To further accomplish that, a light polish is recommended to remove oxidation, road film, and any other light imperfections. And this is the time to remove any swirl marks if desired. When you're done, make sure to blow out remaining moisture. This keeps water from accidentally introducing itself during the application process or the initial cure time. We're just about to start, but don't forget to use a panel prep solution to ensure no polishing oils or other residues are left behind, which can be a sneaky way of interfering with your ceramic coating durability. Gyeon recommends their own prep spray, but Mckees 37 works great too. I've used both many times. Let's check the surface with an inspection light. For a door from a wrecked 2017 Challenger, I'm satisfied. The paint already looks great. Now let's move on to the easy part, application. I've tried many coatings, and this company offers a very user-friendly kit. It comes with the perfect microfiber applicator, and I recommend having a few backups like the ones I keep on hand by Autofiber. You can find all the products and tools I use for this job in the description below. So here's a 50 milliliter bottle that comes with this kit, along with easy to read instructions covering all their ceramic coatings. They also include a helpful maintenance guide for aftercare. This larger bottle gives you plenty of product for small to medium vehicles, often with some left over. Perfect if you apply a bit heavy as a beginner. For larger vehicles like full-size trucks or SUVs, it's wise to have a second bottle on hand. First, give the bottle a good shake. For the first application, put a generous amount of product on the applicator to prime it. After that, for each new section, you usually only need one line of product down the middle of the applicator. You want just enough on the pad so it doesn't stick or drag. It should glide easily over the surface. One trick is to start in the center and edges of your section. This way, you'll keep picking up product as you go, making the application much smoother and more even. The instructions say you can work on a whole panel at once, like a full car door. But if you're outside in hot, humid weather, the product can dry too fast, or what they call flash. It's better to work on a smaller section, about half a panel in that situation. You can apply the product in any pattern, circles, straight lines, or a crosshatch. The main goal is to spread a thick, even layer over the surface to allow it to level evenly. Since it's hot and humid, I'm wiping it off right away. But rushing like I did in the beginning here can actually smear the coating and cause streaks or high spots. So slow down and just use short, gentle strokes. After the first pass, flip to a clean side or use a second towel to wipe off anything that might remain. Always keep at least 2 fresh bags of quality towels so you have a clean side for every section. In a milder climate, 40 to 80 degrees with 40 to 60% humidity, you can let this SiO2 ceramic coating sit for up to 10 minutes. High spots usually show up in overcast reflections like this. But here's a tip. This light panel mimics that cloud coverage, making them easy to spot before they cure. I also included this in the description below if you want to check it out. And surprisingly, it's wiping off effortlessly with no high spots. And if you do see high spots before the initial 12-hour cure time, you should be able to simply wipe off or reapply the coating over that high spot to reactivate it and wipe it off. If the next day you happen to find them and this doesn't work, wait until the end of this video and click the end screen video that I believe says how to fix ceramic coating high spots. And I will show you what to do in that situation in that video, even with harder coatings like a 5-year graphene coating. During the first 12 hours, park the car in a dry spot, safe from rain or water, to allow the ceramic coating to cure, preferably in a garage. After that, you can drive in any condition. Just don't wash it or use a pressure washer for 14 days. And just look at how the water shoots right off this car paint. This isn't just normal wax or sealant water behavior. the contact angles are much higher, meaning the water beads will be super tight and tall and will roll right off. I hope this video has helped you feel confident in how to apply Gyeon Pure Evo, a 3-year, 9H, beginner-friendly ceramic coating. Don't stress, just have fun making your car look amazing and enjoy showing it off. If you liked the video, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.